Hey, my beautiful people, my one and only beautiful people. I don't have another person. No do na dey make my body dey do jolly oh. No do na. Nobody dey make my body dey jolly. Na una dey make my body dey do pelele, nenene, nenene, pelele. Na una dey make everything from my heart, from my deep, deep inside my heart. Na una. I don come this happy new year oh. I don come, I don waka come oh. Na only me waka come, na only me go waka go. I don come for this new year oh. I hope you guys are doing happy. I hope una dey jolly. I hope una dey happy. I hope una dey do a lot of things oh. Make una dey jolly. If you no dey jolly, make you dey jolly oh. Nobody. Na once oh, ụwa bụ ofu mbịa. This one na once. You understand? Na only once. If you don't understand, make you understand. Na only once. Don't dey two. Na only once. Don't mind my face as my face dey be like this. Don't mind my face, you know. Today I say I don come for this 2021. They go favor us. God go locate us one by one. All our heart desire, God go give us. Every good thing that we're asking for, God will favor us with those good things. God will favor us and shower us with blessing. I say make I tell you now, hey, this my husband don start wahala for this 2021. You see the prayers wey I dey pray since for everybody oh. My husband, I wan tell una something. My husband don start wahala. He don start wahala. Una, I wan tell una oh, my sisters. Every time I lie down for bed, say make I just sleep. I say make I relax or make I just dey say make I talk like as I dey talk with una now. I say make I just relax and talk small and follow my friends up. Na so my husband go just do. If he just near me, my body touch am. Na so the thing go do pim. I ask am say, yeah, honey. As in the Oyibo dey call am oh. As all this Oyibo dey call am honey. Sometimes ma kpọkwanụ ya, ma call my husband. Sometimes I will call am Obim or Nkem. So I ask my husband, I say, what is your problem, sef? Why every time he just near me, this one go make it pim? Na so the thing dey do pim. I say, take am easy. You never even go for the other one. Your body dey do pim. Na so I look my husband. I look my husband. I look am. I say, wetin dey do you sef? Why you no fit even follow me laugh? If you just laugh, if I just do like this, my body touch him body, na so e go make pim. I say, what is this? Why the thing dey make pim like this? I ask my husband again. If I dey talk like this, I go just near am like this. E don do pim. Na so I hold the thing oh. I tell am say, you know what will be happen? You no go even near me or touch me if you dey anywhere or just say honey, because I no wan hear pim. So my husband, I tell him, I no understand. I say make I come tell una because na una dey do everything for me. Na una do everything for me. Na una dey hear wetin I dey talk. How person husband, my husband no go gree sef make we go for bed and do the connect and the connection there. Before we go even do, if he just touch me hand, honey put food for me, na so the thing go do pim. I say, what is that? That's how I ask my husband. I say, honey, can you be here? What is the problem? Why your dating they do pim? If you just near me and tap on my body, honey, I want you to do this thing for me. The thing go do pim. I say take am easy because me I no understand though. I no understand. Na the thing carry me come this morning as I dey. I want to go work. I want to go shop today. But I said let me come and explain this thing for you people because na new year we just enter. And I new year, I want to be looking shiny, shiny this time around. Oh. I don't want anybody to make me to no look good. I want to be looking good as they see me. You don't start they see me. Oh. That's how I go dey look every time now. You understand? But the thing dey surprise me, how my husband go dey talk say if he, I no understand. Even sometimes he say no know wetin dey do am, but he say he just near me, him body just touch my body like this na pium, you go hear. I say why this thing dey do pium like that? As I ask my husband, I say why the thing dey do pium pium? Honey, honey, come abeg, I want to talk to you. If you just tell me, honey mo, if you touch me for back like this, say honey, let me do this, iron this cloth, I go, you go yap you. I say, you don't come again. You don't come again. Wetin be this pium 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 pium? Why the way your this thing dey do now? Whenever dey for bed, e dey do pium 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 pium. Abeg, mo na help me ask my husband. Why this thing if he near me, the thing go make pium? Na so the thing go dey. E go make it pium pium pium. I say what is this? I no understand. Make una help me ask my husband why this thing dey make pium like this. Because me I don tire. Na so my husband go look me this morning say wetin be this one wey I go rub na this 2021 I don start dey rub. I tell am say abeg make I rub baking because if you see people wey rub you go say this thing no good, but if you go outside you go see them, you no know say my husband no, I go gist una one day. Na so my husband go dey look the woman like say tomorrow no dey. But if you come house you go say I don like all those rub wey people dey rub. But I dey rub am for house, rub am everywhere. But he say my own style na different. Why my own dey show like this? I go rub here, I go rub. I tell am my own swaggering. I tell my husband say na my own swaggering. My own swaggering is different from other people's swaggering. Another people's swaggering is different though. But my own swaggering na another one. So I dey rub my own design. As Oyibo talk am, my own design na me I dey rub. Everybody have own swaggering. So my own swaggering na I dey tell my husband. My husband I don't understand this thing that is happening. Oh, abeg, I dey beg una my sister, my brothers. Abeg make una dey help me dey ask them. Oh, because I don't know why this thing dey do pium pium pium. Na so the thing dey do like this. Oh, pium. My wife, pium. Honey, pium. Honey, come touch, pium. Sometimes e dey do touch again, pium pium pium. I say what is that? I don't know why the thing dey do pium pium pium. Abeg make una no vex o, make una help me ask my husband why that thing dey do pium pium pium. Because and if you know wetin make the thing dey do pium pium, abeg make you write am for me o, make I know wetin dey make the thing dey do pium 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 pium. Abeg for down, abeg make una help me write am wetin make the thing dey do pium. My sisters and my brothers, abeg I dey beg una, okay? Abeg una make una help me write am, okay?